Compensatory damages are exactly what the word means, to compensate the person for the injury that occurs and all the residual things that happen when you are injured. When you're injured physically, there's always a psychological and emotional component. Every single injury, no matter how minor, comes with a greater or lesser degree of depression, frustration, developing shortness of temper, because it's a physical injury. It affects you. And the compensatory damages are meant to compensate you for that injury and any other intangibles that you suffer from: loss of ability to enjoy life, pain and suffering, mental anguish. Okay? Punitive damages are exactly what that word means. That's punishment. Okay? That means that somebody has done something so egregious that they deserve to be punished for the conduct. Okay? And generally, those type of damages occur when the conduct of the defendant is so outrageous that they need to be punished and need to be taught a lesson so that they don't engage in that type of conduct again. Okay? So you can have a situation where someone is aware that a product is defective, for example, and you could talk about cigarettes. You can talk about the Firestone tires of yesteryear, where they knew there were problems and they put them out there anyway. And they basically, and the Ford Pinto in the years past, they basically calculated what it might cost them in damages and lawsuits. And they said it's going to be cheaper for us to pay those than to remake the product. And so little things like that are important, because when they act with such willful, wanton, and reckless conduct as to amount to what's called culpable negligence, then punitive damages are meant to punish for that. And generally, punitive damages are a type of damage that is calculated on the defendant's ability to pay. So if somebody brought a claim against me and it was a punitive claim because, I threw a hatchet into a crowd and somebody got seriously hurt, that punitive damage to teach me a lesson might only be, $100,000, where against General Motors, it might be $100 million, because it's all relative to what is going to amount to punishment for that particular entity.